get to hear me now. If you get to hear me now.
And today I'm going to be showing you how to do the floor wall ramp strategy in Fortnite Battle Royale to be able to push your opponent in the easiest and most helpful way possible. So if you want to be able to do this strategy, make sure to go watch my Fortnite key bindings video, because if you don't watch my Fortnite key bindings video, then you won't be able to do the strategy, because I'm going to base this strategy on my key bindings video. Okay, so if you have your key bindings set like that, as shown in my video, you could easily do the strategy, as shown right here. So to begin with, I'm going to break this. Okay. So what you're gonna need to do is you're obviously gonna need a base stair, and I just built a random platform here. You could just start this anywhere, like you could just start this here and keep going like that. But yeah, I'm just gonna start here. So what you're gonna need to do, the positioning for your fingers are gonna be that your index finger is gonna be at F, which is stairs, and your ring finger will be at Q, which is wall, right? And then after you place the stairs for F, you're gonna move your index finger from F to G, which is floor, and then you're gonna build floor, and then your ring finger is already gonna be on Q, and you're just gonna press that, and see, we already built one of those. So this is a good strategy, because say if someone tries to shoot you over there, you're gonna have that wall protecting you that you could hide, like you could hide over there. And then if they try to shoot you down from under, they're gonna have to shoot two things. So like they're gonna have to shoot the floor, and they're gonna also have to shoot the stair, rather than just the stair, which will give you some time to like plan, like launch away, or you know, just stuff like that. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you how to do it a bit faster. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. Okay, so what I did is I put my index finger on F, and then I slided it to G, and then I quickly pressed my ring finger on Q, like that. So if you get used to this, and if you get used to this, you can be able to double do this strategy in like double floor wall ramp. So let me just show you how you could do that. Okay, so you also started off with the stair, and then you're going to build two of these, and then build two floors on the bottom and two walls. So I'm going to do that, and then here, let me also show you a trick. While you do this, since you're going to have, here, let me show you. You press stair, right? And then you press G. Then you're going to put your wall. So when you put your wall, you could slide it like that. So if someone tries to shoot you from the side, you have that extra wall over there. Okay? So that's just an extra tip. So yeah, so yeah, you could basically do that, and that's how you do it. So thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe, and share the video. And yeah, before you watch this video, watch the key bindings video, because it's really helpful. Trust me, and you'll be able to build like a boss, like very fast. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.